Hello everyone and welcome in lockdown cooking. Now yesterday evening I had a request from a big sister and her mom to do a big shout out. That was Lily Hodges and she wanted me to say happy birthday to her sister. So let's all say together, happy birthday April. So here we go, I promised I would do that. So happy birthday April. I know it's a bit of a weird time to have a birthday, but I hope you have a good day. And since we have a birthday and we have a birthday shout out, I had no other option than to bake a cake. So today we're going to bake a cake, and the cake that we're going to bake today is a Quatre Quart Cake. Quatre Quart comes from French, and it literally means quatre, four, quart, you guessed it, quarters. It's 4 quarters. This was my favorite cake as a child actually, and I always asked my mom to bake this for me when it was my birthday. So she made quatre quart with apples, and that's what I'm gonna do today for you. Alright, so 4 quarters, what do we need? Well, we need 4 quarters of the main ingredients that we are using when we're baking cake, which is butter, eggs, sugar and flour. So if you think that an egg is roughly 55 grams, well, I just weighed them, they were 55 these. Okay, so we need 4 quarters, so that was 110. So I've got 110 of butter, 110 grams of eggs, 110 grams of sugar and 110 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, let's do this. I tie my hair up, I wash my hands, let's get on with this. First thing we're doing is I need to soften my butter a little bit. I took it out of the fridge just not too long ago, so let's just go soften it just a little bit. It doesn't have to be too much. Okay, so while this is happening, I'm going to do my apples. Alright, so we're going to core the apples first. So I should make it a bit more visible for you, it will be easier. There we go. Okay, so I'm using the bridge, you know that. I take the 2 flat parts, I'm using the bridge again and again here. Do the same here. Bridge, bridge and bridge. Okay, now I need to take all the bits out here, so let's core them. So basically you go one side, you go another side, and the bits are gone. You can do it in once if you want to, like I just did. There you go. Any left? Yeah. Okay. All right. Then we need to peel these apples. So you can peel them like this. Okay, now this knife here is not too sharp, so I can do it in that way. If you don't feel that secure, you can always use a peeler, that is fine. Okay. can see that my butter starts to melt a little bit, get soft. Okay, fantastic. Right, now gonna cut like little slices like this, using the claw technique. You know how it goes by now. I don't have to repeat it. There we go. Okay, and what I'm going to do with these apples is I'm going to put them at the bottom of my cake tin. You can use any cake tin you would like. I've got one of those banana loaf cake tins. You arrange them in a nice way and just make sure it just covers the whole bottom. Just like that. I don't know if you can see from there, I'll show you in a minute how it looks like. Brilliant. Okay, my butter is good. Leave it like this. So let's have a look. Can you see? There you go. This is how I arrange them. Fantastic. Okay. Now it's fairly simple. So we take our 110 grams of sugar, put them in there, crack the eggs, always wash your hands after dealing with raw eggs. There you go. And we're going to mix these ones together. Alright. If you whisk really well, you're going to start to see bubbles at some point. And as you see, when I'm whisking, I don't go like this. Okay, I kind of tilt my bowl a little bit and just use the bottom part there. If I do this like circular motion, you see, and you whisk it really, really, really well. Some people like to do it like this too. Well, that works. Whatever you like. Okay, let's get the flour in, and we use a sieve. So once we use a sieve, you got a little bit of stuff on the top there, so in order to get rid of it, just give it like gentle little taps like this. Till it's all gone. Alright, so that gives a bit of air to my flour, and I'll mix it again. There we go. Okay. Alright, now I add my butter. Perfect Quatre Quart mixture. Alright, now this mixture I do it normally with 4 eggs. So that means that everything is doubled. So it's like 220 grams of sugar, butter, and flour, self-raising flour. Now I only had 2 eggs left in the fridge, so I just did it with this. But I think that'll be enough to have a small little cake. Okay. Let's take a spatula. Okay, and I'm gonna pour my mixture over my apples. If you don't like washing up, use your spatula really well, so there's not that much left to wash up. There you go. Nice and well. I've preheated my oven. It's at 210 degrees Celsius. And now I'm going to put this in for a good 30 minutes. Alright, what I'm going to do after 30 minutes, I'm going to take like a skewer just to make sure it's dry, and if it's dry we can take it out. Okay, let's give it a go. We are 30 minutes later. Let's have a look how that cake looks like. Okay, nice. Let's do the skewer trick. Check if it's dry inside. And that looks good to me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let this one cool down here on that rack in the tin for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. If you take it out too early, it will just completely crumble down. So just wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'll see you back in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we are good. 10 minutes later, I couldn't wait anymore. Alright, this is the trick. You take your plate, you put it on top, just gonna flip it over. Hop, just like this. Let's have a look. Here we go. My Quatre Quart cake that my mom used to do for my birthdays when I was young. I always loved them. They're really good. Alright, so April, there is your cake. Now there is, when it's a birthday, we need a candle, so I'm going to light a candle for you. Still a bit steamy, but doesn't matter. Alright, I'm not going to be singing for you, but I think they will be singing at home for you. Happy birthday, April. I hope you enjoy your day. Now, I'm going to enjoy this cake, and I hope at home they will be baking the same one for you. Okay, see you later everyone, stay safe, and see you for next videos. Bye, thanks.